Something special coming in today. A kit car. It's a Murcielago kit car. We're about to do hopefully a muffler delete on it. Let you guys hear it before. It's really nicely done. Really clean. We'll let you guys hear it after. Hope you guys like it. Sound decibels before. Give a guess again. About 101. Let you guys hear it after. Really nice, beautiful wide wheels on it. And a really nice stance on it. So it's LS4. It's got an LS4 in it. There's the original exhaust on it. As you guys can see, it's all custom. Good Lord, that's not gonna work. Yeah, the whole bumper has to come off. There it is all the way around. Radiator. Yeah, it's custom to the max. The muffler's up there somewhere. Yeah, see it, guys? So I don't think we're gonna be able to do it here today because that whole bumper has to come off. Why did they go with the thrush? Really? Got it. They did it nice at least. It's nicely done. Just a lot of work. A lot of piping. Crossed over and over and under and over. A lot of stuff. So at least you guys got to hear it and see it. But that whole bumper has to come off for us to get to that exhaust. So we're not going to be able to do it. The Vendetta. It's off of a Pontiac Fiero frame. It's got an LS4 in it. He's going to cut that back bottom bumper off and bring it back. To be continued. Crazy with it. Beast mode. We'll see. That's what it looks like on the inside, guys. Just in case you wondered. It's a company out of California that builds them. It's called the Vendetta. Really nicely built. There's a door. It's a really nice build all the way around. Get on it, bro, okay? Enjoy, man. Thank you.